Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are going to be looking at Dfli. This is of course Dragonfly Energy. I'm going to be giving you all of the levels that I am looking forward to going into this upcoming week. As always guys, if it does sound good, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. At the same time, do remember though, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now, interestingly, we are seeing a few things play out with the stock over the course of last week. On Friday, we were up by 2.26% after that major volatility that we saw through the week. Now you're seeing a point where the stock is coming to, or very close to levels of support to really watch out for. You're seeing numbers such as 120, 121, which we have seen, of course, through the Thursday, through the Friday, but also going back to Wednesday and Tuesday, the 7th and the 8th. So this could be a point to watch out for in regards to historical levels around that point. If you do not see this hold up, I think you are easily looking at a drop down to the 110 range. We saw that as well, going back to the 10th of course, October. Same is true for the 13th. So keep your eyes on those levels. And below that, numbers such as 104. And of course, if you do drop that, I think you drop in very well into the 90, the 80-cent range. So of course, that is less than ideal. Now, at the same time, given everything that we saw on Friday, this range around 120 does appear to be holding nicely at the time being, so this could really be something to watch out for. Then you're asking questions about potential moves up. Now, interestingly enough, this stock has, really touched upon the overbought range as we saw this major push up, and this, of course, correlated into RSI. Now we're seeing this one completely returning to neutral, which on a technical basis could indicate future moves to the upside. Levels to break above, I think you're looking at numbers such as initially 140, 145, then you're looking at 150, I think from there. I think if you break 150, you're looking at 157, 160, past 160, 165, 170, and of course past 170, numbers such as 178, I think you're then looking onto numbers such as 192. Now that of course may be a bit ambitious for this week, but we do want to see a return to growth. We want to see some green now. Of course, we have had time to cool off. We retested new highs. And again, it's going to be about seeing if we can actually build that, perhaps not as rapid, perhaps not as volatile growth as what we saw in the last week, but maybe that next level of growth. So again, those are the levels that stand out to me. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and I do hope I'll see you again in a future episode. Goodbye for now.